So this is definitely not a proportional relationship, because if you think about it, 2 times 7 equals 14, but 4 times 7 does not equal 20. So we know this is not proportional. So we need to think of another way that we can look at this. So I'm going to look at how much these increased by. So if this increases by 2, and I'm going to erase this over here so that I have a little bit more room, then the other side is going to be increasing by 6. And then if I look at how far from 4 to 8, when this increases by 4, this one increases by 12. So we can see actually a relationship here. The 2 and the 6, 2 times 3 equals 6, and the 4 and the 12, 4 times 3 equals 12. So it looks like that there's a relationship with 3. So if I were to fill in here the 3, the number in the middle here looks like it's going to be 17. And it looks like it increases, when it increases by 1, it increases by 3. So for each person that you add, you're going to have $3 more in cost. So let's think about how we can use this. We need 22 more people. We're going to add 22 here to get to 30 people. Now, if it increases $3 for each person, we're going to take that 22 and multiply it by 3, and that gives you 66. That means we're going to add 66 on here, which gives you a total of $98, and that is your answer. So it's kind of a roundabout way, but it gets you to where you need to go.